Holley Sniper EFI lineup covers all the bases with the introduction of Sniper EFI XFLOW. Packed with four 120-pound injectors and 900 CFM of airflow, the Sniper XFLOW fills the void. With enough flow for 800 plus naturally aspirated horses, Sniper XFLOW delivers. Comparing the throttle body inlet to the original Sniper shows you that XFLOW is all business. Much like its big brother, the Sniper Stealth 4500, the contoured entry provides plenty of airflow. A true bolt-on replacement for any 4-barrel carburetor, making the switch to EFI is super easy with the dual pattern mounting flange. Setup and installation is just as easy as the original Sniper EFI. The Sniper XFLOW ECU creates a basic calibration after answering a few questions on the touchscreen display. The Bosch wideband oxygen sensor provides real-time fuel map learning, keeping your engine happy for pure driving enjoyment. The OEM-style TPS and Iock sensors mean reliability. As with the original Sniper EFI, Sniper EFI XFLOW is able to control timing when used with a magnetic pickup distributor such as an MSD Pro billet or a Hall effect distributor like Holley's Hyperspark distributors. By controlling the timing, you can set the rev limiting capabilities on the touchscreen display. XFLOW works great with CD ignitions such as MSD 6 series. By using a USB to CAN tuning cable, you can download Sniper EFI software to set up the same advanced boost control features found on Holley HP and Dominator EFI systems. After initial setup, the built-in boost control is done through the handheld touchscreen monitor, allowing you to retard timing based on boost. You can even program and set target air-fuel ratios per boost level. A 2.5 bar map sensor tells XFLOW how much boost you're making and monitors up to 21.5 pounds of boost pressure. For nitrous racers, it supports wet or dry nitrous applications. Also set up through the Sniper EFI software at first, the single-stage progressive controller can be adjusted through the handheld touchscreen. Easily set up lean-rich air-fuel ratio cutoff points. Timing retard can be RPM or time-based, all adjusted from the handheld touchscreen display. XFLOW has a total of 6 ground triggered outputs for controlling accessories. 3 0 to 5 volt inputs allow you to monitor additional sensors such as fuel, oil, or pressure sensors. You'll get to deck your vehicle out with all the Holley EFI gauges like the killer digital dashes, or keep it classic with our plug-and-play analog-style digital gauges. And if that's not enough, Holley offers an 8-injector Sniper EFI XFLOW for up to 1,375 horsepower. So when you're serious about making big power with a throttle body EFI, look for Sniper EFI XFLOW. Find out more about Sniper XFLOW and all your EFI solutions at sniperefi.com.